scale that we're dealing with is your minor Dorian. All right, so real quick, C minor Dorian. Remember, there are many minor scales. Quickness of application, you guys can go ahead and start playing and using this stuff right away. I'm going to show you just the minor Dorian. Okay, now all the minor scales have the first, at least the first four notes in common. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first four notes in common, and they all have the minor third in common. But we're going to deal with the Dorian minor, and the formula is whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. All right, and then you're back. Okay. Now F minor. Okay, down to fifth to B flat minor. Up a fourth to E flat minor. Down to fifth, A flat. Okay, up a fourth to D flat. Okay, down to fifth to F sharp. Okay, up a fourth to B. I'm sorry, one more time. Okay, and then down a fifth to E. Okay, up a fourth to A. Okay, down to fifth to D. Okay, G. Okay, now. Okay, now application of these scales we're going to deal with a little bit. All right, now once you learn your minors, up a fourth, down to fifth, right? All right. Okay, so on and so forth, just so you have them under your fingers. Now the next step will be form triads via those scale tones, okay? Okay? Okay, so on and so forth. And when you form your triads, you can arpeggio. Okay, form those arpeggios and mess around with those scales so you have them familiar. Okay, because we're going to talk more about application in further modules. But those are your minor Dorian scales. All right. Now you have your 24 scales, major sharp 11s and minor Dorians. Okay, so one more time for review: your major sharp 11 scale. Okay, whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half, whole step, half. Okay, to the octave. Okay, and then your minor Dorian scales. Okay. And if you get confused, just remember your minor Dorian scales are the second degree of your beat of your regular major scales. Okay, but stop so you don't get confused. Just learn them, or you can repeat the mantra. Okay, which is you have whole step, half, whole step, whole step, whole step, half, whole step. Once you practice it, you don't even have to think about it. So just that's the thing about about systems for improvisation. That's why we practice so much scales and harmony. I think the so-called jazz musician, we're deep into studying the theory because we're trying to access anything at any moment in our improvisation. So it's like, if you only have black and white colors to paint your pictures with, man, your pictures are only going to be black and white. But the more scales and the more colors and all the tones, and if you know how they relate, um, and you get them all under you, under your fingers, so they're part of us, then they'll just come out when we play. All of it will come out, in your expression. Okay, so it's like giving you a lot of colors and tools for your creations. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this brief just explanation of your 24 major and minor scale families. Okay, you got 12 major scales, and remember, we playing sharp 11 major scales. Whether you want to call it the flat five, it doesn't matter. Sharp, the fourth note of the major scale, and you got it. Okay, and then you got your 12 minor Dorian scales. And then we're going to talk about application in the coming modules and how to blow. But I just want to give you those, have fun, blow on them, play, use them, create, and I'll see you in the next module. Take care. Bye-bye.